George did?
Yes.
We have to come back down.
I'm sorry. You're fine. Rebecca, I have your head down.
About 80%.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. So these windows are for you. You want to bring them up? We have to minus. Oh, you tried. I do that all the time.
That wouldn't fit my tumbler. No, definitely.
Wait for it's coming up. Now kind of look down. Don't look up, look straight across. The name of these balls are moons, ha balls. And I know what you're thinking too. I didn't say they were taller than Niagara Falls. All I said was that the little trees with the red berries still on them. We have a plethora of spruce trees, and I could go on all day long talking about the variety of trees and plants that took root by that creek down there, which is known up that steam locomotive. He turned his engine on and he said, man, that was a sand of a gun. Now we all know that's not exactly what they said, but I surmise it was something like that. If you take a look to the front of the train right now, hello, with the Cog Railway and all the hikers coming through, they turned this one room for traffic cabin into a 22-way. Most of the material was brought up to this point and then pushed up the mountain as needed. I actually do have an all black and white photograph of what this hotel looked like before it burned down in 1927. So I'm going to be passing it up and down the train. If you want to take a look at it, and can you kindly do me a favor and just pass it to your neighbor when you're done looking at it, please and thank you. When it gets to these orange partitions or right next to these orange partitions, just kind of flag me down with it, and I'll go over there out to Forest this year. I see them back this spring already doing a little more cutting, so I'm just hoping that they come back with maybe some wood chippers and finish the job. So in 1893, an English professor from Massachusetts by the name of Kathleen Lee Bates, she summoned the top of Pikes Peak on a parade-driven wagon that read Pikes Peak or Bust. And we believe views like this, and that's because that mountain's exactly 12,365 feet in height right there. Do you see that U-shape on the mountain over there? That's what a tree line looks like. And right below that tree line, you see that dirt road? That's still part of that 60-mile private drive to Ruxton Park there. With the truck to it. Get ready, car number 2 is going to be approaching us now next. It's an appreciation for all of our men and women who work out in our section crew all year round trying to keep these tracks free and clear for us. And on this crossing, the families who live up here with their family and the section crew stay up here all year round with their tracks. So those are the Whispering Yellow Belly moments I was talking about earlier. Just a moment I'm in trouble for doing that and causing everybody to be late. So just try to make sure you're back here at 11:20 in your seats for them. We're almost playing around in the snow, sliding around. They are quite the characters. Look at them on the rock. I'm surprised they don't wave at us. Lies Mr. Man's grace. But I still remember Mr. Man in the life that he gave for the Cog Railway. Poor Mr. Man. So on a lighter note though, if you take a look out on the 3-seat side, you see those, not too far back though, you see those mounds of dirt right over there? They almost look like little mountains. I was just sunbathing waving at us. Alright, so as we approach up with this last corner, hug up the whole thing.
That's just like, opens up the
Yeah, yeah, beautiful though. So,
Too close to the window.